In October 1982, the Wisconsin Badgers played the Michigan Spartans. There were 60,000 people present for this college rivalry. It soon became evident who the better team was. Playing at home in Wisconsin, the Badgers could not use the home field advantage to their favor, enough to change the tide of the game. And by the first quarter, the game was already out of hand and so lopsided, a blowout was in the making. The Spartans were dominating the Wisconsin Badgers. In spite of this, the crowd continued to cheer at the most inappropriate times. A fumble here, an interception there, yet they continued to cheer loudly. The coaches and players on the sidelines were befuddled and perplexed. But then the secret was revealed. 70 miles away in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Game 4 of the World Series was in progress. Thousands of fans had brought their transistor radios to the football game and were tuned in, and every time the Brewers scored a run and hit a homer, the crowd cheered loudly for their team. Although they were watching defeat unfold in front of them, they were listening to the sound of victory from another arena and were responding to what they heard, not what they saw. May God help us to lift our eyes from the scenes of defeat in this old weary world to focus our ears on the sound of heaven. While there's never a bad day there, never a defeat, never a heartache, may we tune into the place that's never lost a battle, never lost a fight, never will. Every loved one and every saint of God that's gone before testifies there's a place where victory happens all the time. Somebody give him praise in this place. Hallelujah. Can you imagine how that would freak everybody out? All these coaches and players down on the sideline. Well, that wasn't nothing to cheer about. Well, I don't see what they hollered there. And thousands have got a little portable transistor radio. Listen to Game 4 of the World Series. 70 miles away, victory was happening. And the shouts from that stadium was because they were tuned in to another arena. I used to sing a song when I first started this journey. Heaven sounding sweeter all the time. Seems like lately, it's always on my mind. One day I'm going to leave this old world behind because heaven is sounding sweeter all the time. When I look at what I see, I've got to constantly remind myself there's a sound from another place. And that's what has to dictate my life.